Hello everyone and welcome to Stay Creative York County. Today is going to be a little bit different. We have actually been doing this Stay Creative series for a long time now, and with any long-running show there's usually a clip show or a let's flash back to the time when episode of a show. So that show is today, and that is because we are in the month of February, which is when Valentine's Day is. And we have had a different time. We've had a different experience this last year. And I think making things for someone in your life that you love is a great way to reflect on the people who are important to you, the people who support you. And so today's video is just going to be a clip show of 5 videos that I've done in the past where I'm making things that I think would be wonderful gifts for that special somebody in your life. By no means are these the only things that we've done videos on that you could make, and share down below some other things that aren't in this video that you've made for someone. I'm also going to be sharing in the description, along with the links to the videos and the clip show today, I'm going to be sharing some Creativebug classes where you can learn to make something or pick up a new skill. I am decked out on this cold day in my lovely hat and cowl that were made for me by members of my family. So remember, when you make something for someone, they're going to appreciate the effort you put into it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Well, friends, I hope that you found something in the video today that inspired you to make something for someone or to completely make something different. And check out the Creativebug classes below. It's always good to learn a new skill or learn a new way to express yourself. So, without further ado, friends, I'm going to be ending the episode for today. Remember to stay safe and also remember that you're wanted, you're loved, and there's a place for you at the library. And, of course, remember to stay creative, York County.